Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Preeti and I'm so excited to be filming my first makeup tutorial. New Year is just around the corner and I have created a fun and bold glam makeup look using the blue eyeshadow and nude lipstick. If you want to know how to get this look, please keep on watching. My face is all prepped and primed and we are ready to begin. I'm using the Loreal Brow Artist Genius Kit. It comes with the wax and the brow powder in it, which makes it very convenient. First, I use the wax to set my eyebrows. It's just my personal preference. And then I'm going to use the brow powder to fill the sparse areas. Thank God I'm blessed with thicker brows. I really don't need to do a lot of filling. I'm using my concealer brush and my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Cafe 50 to clean up my eyebrows. This just makes the eyebrows look neat. I'll be using the same concealer on my eyelids as the base for my eyeshadow and then set the concealer with the powder, which makes the other colors go on much smoother. Moving on, I'm using my MAC 217 taper brush for my crease area and I'm using my bronzer as my transition shade. It's called Blunt from MAC. I'm taking my time with this color and blending it in my crease, concentrating most of the product in the outer corners of my eye. Next, I'm using the Nykaa eyemBOLD Kajal in deep black with Sigma E55 eyeshadow brush for blending. I'm using this as a cream base for my blue glitter eyeshadow. This is because the creamy texture of the kajal lets the blue glitter sit on the eyelids. Take your time with the process, especially when you're working with dark eyeshadows. I'm applying the black kajal close to my eyelashes and then moving it up and blending along the way. I'm taking a flat eyeshadow brush and using a few of my favorite things palette from Too Faced and taking the shade Party Time and apply it on the blended black kajal base. And build the product slowly till you get the look you're happy with. You don't have to use the exact same eyeshadow palette. You can use similar color with the eyeshadow palette that you have. This is a tricky and time-consuming eye makeup look, so please take your time with the application and blending. I'm going to be using the same transition color and the blue color that I used on my lid on my lower lash line. Don't worry about the fallout, we will clean it up before we go any further. And using my MAC 209 brush, I'm going to take the color Moon on Their Wings from the same palette. It has a rose gold and gold glitter mixed with it and apply it to the inner corner of my eyes. Quickly use my eyelash curler to curl my lashes and use my all-time favorite mascara Maybelline Lash Sensational. Since I'm going for a full glam makeup look, I'll be using the orange corrector from LA Girl around my corners of my mouth and nose and my under eye area to hide the pigmentation. And I'll be using my tip of my fingers to blend it, as it's much easier than a beauty sponge or a blush. And then I'm going to use a Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Cafe 50 on top of the orange corrector. I'm going to blend the entire thing using my beauty sponge. Moving on with my foundation, I'm using L'Oreal True Match in shade AD. I'm blending it using my beauty sponge from NYX. It's a full coverage foundation, which is exactly what we are going for. Always make sure to apply the foundation over the neck as well. You want your face and neck to be the same color. Next, I'm going to be using LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey to brighten my under eyes, my chin area, the bridge of my nose, and the center of my forehead, as well as my cupid's bow. Moving on to the contour, I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Dark Cocoa and apply it in my usual contour areas like the hollows of my cheeks, the forehead, the jawline and the nose, and blend it using my PAC 219 brush. With the help of an angled brush, I'm going to set the contour with the powder. I'm using Blunt from MAC. It's the matte powder blush. Oh, I forgot to set my under eyes before, so before we go any further, I'm just going to use my banana powder to set my under eyes and also under my cheekbones to make sure that the contour looks much sharper. For the blush, I'm going to be using the MAC Sheertone Shimmer Blush in the shade Dollymix. Again, apply this to the apple of your cheeks using an angled brush. I'm using a large powder brush to clean the setting powder and blend the contour and the blush, just dabbing it with the beauty sponge to make everything look smooth and even. And I'm going to go ahead and set my makeup with the Fix Plus and then apply highlighter on top of the Fix Plus. This makes the highlighter pop. The highlighter I'm using is from Nykaa Glow Getter Highlighter Duo in Glitterati 02. I'm using the rose gold as my highlighter on my cheekbones, my forehead, cupid's bow, and the tip of my nose. Moving on to the final step of the makeup, lips. I'm using the lip liner from MAC in the color Soar. And on my lips, I'm using Nykaa Matte to Last Liquid Lipstick in the shade Madras Kapi. And it's one of my favorite lipsticks, favorite nude lipsticks. I'm just going to use the same highlighter to highlight my brow bone and finish up the makeup look. That's it guys, I'm done with the makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!